Hey lovely people, welcome back. Yes, today we're making this easy yet very delicious recipe. Yes, we're making beef in Gnutpaste sauce. Now guys, this is so yummy. It's simple and easy. Now I have my beef right there. I roasted this, or you can charcoal grill this nicely. So I cut in pieces. In my saucepan. Now I add in a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of black pepper. I want this beef to build up flavor before I add in my Gnutpaste. Now I stir fry it nicely. Remember, I didn't add oil. Don't add oil, just do this. Yes, we add in our rosemary. Now you stir fry this for about 5 minutes. Yes, for the flavor to build up, you want to build up that nice flavor, add in water. Now you're going to bring this to a boil. This is what we are going to use for our Gnut sauce. Now there is my Gnut sauce. I'm going to add in water and mix it into a smooth paste. So yes, my beef has come to a boil. Now you're just going to add in your paste in there, your Gnutpaste in there nicely. Now you mix this. Don't add in a lot of water, please, when you're adding in the beef, because you don't want your chinyiwa to be watery. So yes, nicely. Now you're going to let this also come to a boil, and then when it's like this, this is when you add in your vegetables. I'm going to add in my onions, my garlic and ginger paste, my tomatoes in there, my carrots and green peppers in there. Yes, now you add it in there, mix in properly. Now I don't know if there are more vegetables that you would like to see here, but I try to always make my food a bit fun. So you add in the vegetables that you want to. So yes, I used a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of turmeric right in here to flavor this up. Now yes, I'm also going to close that up and let it come to a boil for about 30 to 40 minutes right there. Mix this properly. Yes. Now I'm going to mix a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of Royco in there. Mix it properly in there. And yes, I'm going to bring this to a boil again for at least 1 more hour. Yes, remember our meat has to be really soft and tender, and our chinyiwa also really loves time, loves it when you give it its time for it to come out the best. So yes, you cover after 1 hour. This is my chinyiwa looking good. Yes, so you cook this until you see that oil come out, and you also check on the meat to see if it's nice and tender the way you like it. Yes guys, so this is my recipe. Try it out, let me know. God bless you all. Check out more recipes. Ciao.